July 15th, 2025. Oh, low to mid 80s, going to mid 90s, down to 70s tonight. Where am I? A lot of people will recognize this, a lot of people will not. Here are the July flies. Homeless Living, Memorial Drive. To the left is Outstone Mountain, to the right is into Atlanta. Up the hill is the Walmart. Used to be Columbia Mall, where the Sears, the Macy's were. Of course, the dreaded Avondale Blue Devils are over there. Wonder whatever became of all the Avondale's trophies and everything. This has been cleaned up since the last time I was here. We're up here. We've come to get tires. They're supposed to have had 4, didn't have but 2, but we got them. So we're going to be doing some video around Decatur, I think. We'll probably do a live. We should have gone live with this one, I guess, but we need to do a live one. Yeah, the Walmart is here now. And there is the Avondale Field. I guess we can still get a picture of that. Walk up there and get a picture, either ride by the school. Came over here. It would have been, when would it have been? It would have been the fall of 1963. Decatur was playing Avondale. It was a cold, misty rain, really cold night. I don't think anybody expected us to win. But we came away from here. Look at that mushroom. No, that's a potato and a banana. Oh, me. Came away from here with a 7-6 wind. Ah, look, they even got a hole in the gate here. We're not going to go out there. These trees saw that night. They were here. We'll upload this one before the other one. Y'all follow along today. We're going to be getting other video up here. We'll probably ride back down Columbia Drive. A lot of alcoholic beverages consumed. And the containers left scattered and empty. Okay, this one's almost 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this one up on Facebook.